Here we are in Denmark. I'm on my way to Kolding, a normal little Danish provincial town. Why? Well, it's about this, energy consumption. Actually, I'm on my way to visit one of the world's most specialized companies, Danfoss Solutions. Danfoss Solutions is part of the Danfoss Group and committed to providing savings within utilities for their customers. Danfoss Solutions is currently active within the food and beverage segment with breweries, maltings, soft drink producers and dairies. Here, they don't just talk about energy, but also about economy. I have an appointment to talk to the president of Danfoss Solutions, Johnny Jensen, to find out what it is they can do with energy that no one else can. What are the key deliverables of Danfoss Solutions?
When we meet with the clients, what we do first, we perform a planned audit, or what we call an end study. And during that end study, we identify different areas where we can make savings. We also have a total management program, if you want, a behavioral program. Because again, our philosophy is, what does it help you buy? The world's best technology, the most efficient technology, and then we end up using it the wrong way. At the end of the program, we combine it with a performance guarantee. So when we started the program, if we have promised $1 million in savings, and at the end we only achieve 800,000, I owe you 200,000. If we overperform, we get a bonus. And that's why we call it a win-win for the customer. He basically has no risk in this program.
Is this actually possible?
I realize why you're skeptical, but I say you are more than welcome to go and talk to some of the clients who have tried out this process and who I believe will confirm they have achieved significant results.
We have accepted his offer. I'm on my way to the Tulip food company, which produces and sells processed meat products to retailing, food service and fast food sectors, as well as to the processing industry in Denmark and in foreign markets. Danfoss Solutions has performed an energy study at the plant in Aalborg and has now started up the project to achieve the identified and guaranteed savings. Let's hear how it's going. Jesper Bolvi, Group Chief Engineer at Tulip. What made Tulip engage Danfoss Solutions?
We are looking to reduce our cost in our production. They bring in a new concept where there's no cure, no pay, and they could guarantee us savings with a payback period of 2 years, which is quite new. So it's very important for us that we can be sure that we will have the savings when we are making investments.
CocaCola and Fredericia supply the Danish market with CocaCola and associated soft drink products on demand. The plant was built in 1996 and is now one of the biggest plants in Europe. Danfoss Solutions and Coca-Cola jointly performed an N-Save project, which recently finished. The project achieved savings equal to 14% of the total utility consumption and contributed to keeping Coca-Cola Fredericia's leading position. I'm going to ask Klaus Toft, who is maintenance manager at Coca-Cola, about the outcome. Klaus, what did the N-Save project provide Coca-Cola?
Yes, first of all, it has given us the opportunity to move our focus to the area where everyone can do something for energy saving.
What part of the project created biggest value for Coca-Cola?
I think the part where the employees was educated to be energy ambassadors. Lots of the employees have been very surprised about how small changes can make big differences. And of course there have been some economical gains, and those gains have roughly covered the project fees.
The system side is not the only advantage of the concept. There are big gains to be made if one couples the human aspect with the system and the technology. The Carlsberg brewery in Fredericia know all about this. The Carlsberg brewery in Fredericia is the biggest brewery in Denmark and one of the most modern breweries in Europe. Danfoss Solutions and Carlsberg performed a project at this site in 2004 and 2005. The project was considered a success, and the savings were equal to 10% a year of the total utility consumption. I'm here with Leif Andersen, the utility manager at the brewery. Leif, what were the results of the Danfoss Solutions project at the Carlsberg brewery?
Yeah, when the project ended after 18 months,
yeah.
we actually saved doubled the promised savings, especially the guarantee with no cure, no pay.
Yeah.
It was okay for us because we had nothing to lose.
Thanks to Carlsberg, CocaCola and Tulip from Denmark. Perhaps the next time we meet will be on the other side of the planet. After all, Danfoss does have 18,000 employees spread all over the world.